As the largest real property owner in the United States, the federal government spends billions of dollars each year operating and maintaining buildings, structures, and land. Sunflower is trusted by federal agencies to manage thousands of properties, leases, agreements, and improvement projects. Here are some of the many benefits that Sunflower provides to federal real property managers. Our solution is specifically designed for federal real property requirements. Sunflower integrates with federal accounting systems to maintain accurate financial reporting. The software includes tools to manage commercial leases, occupancy agreements, and service contracts. Utilities, grounds maintenance, and janitorial services costs can be recorded for a complete view of operational expenses. Sunflower helps organize property portfolios by tracking space utilization, occupancy, condition, and performance metrics. The software captures property information from acquisition to disposal, retaining a transaction history for audits and reporting. Advanced reporting tools provide essential financial and performance data. CGI offers powerful tools for federal real property management, supported by a team of trusted experts. Contact us today to learn more about how Sunflower Asset Management Solutions can drive your agency's success.